YouTube, welcome. It's your boy, Al Mac. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. And upon hitting that notification bell, you will be notified upon any video that I upload. Guys, right now I am in what they call the most powerful city in the US. I am in Washington, D.C., guys. Yes, I'm here in the nation's capital. Guys, I have an interesting topic for you guys. And, the topic is riding your motorcycle at night, guys. I typically don't like to ride my motorcycle at night. And it's not because I feel unsafe or anything like that as far as my abilities, guys. But what scares me about riding my motorcycle at night is drunk drivers, guys. Like, honestly, that's like one of my biggest fears because in my area where I've lived in the last 2 years, I read about 5 stories about motorcyclists being killed at night by drunk drivers, and that truly concerns me. So I'll never take my motorcycle out at night on purpose. um there are a lot of times, and especially when I'm touring, where I just happen to get stuck out at night, and I'm riding my motorcycle at 9 or 10 o'clock at night because I didn't get to where I want to be on time, and that happens. But nighttime riding, I think it takes a different level of awareness. And I typically slow down like a little more at night, and I try to really focus on the road because I can't see as far ahead at night as I can see during the day. So with that said, it gives me less reaction time if something were to happen. So that keeps me driving a little bit slower at night because I'm creating a little more reaction time for myself. So on roads that I would normally take at 50, at night I might be taking that same road at 45. Just so I can have a little extra reaction time if something were to happen. Also at night, you I try to wear some high vis gear and put something on that has a little bit of reflection, because at night, you are, as a motorcyclist, less visible, and a lot less visible at that, not a little bit. So, I'm always trying to find ways for myself to be as visible as possible when I'm riding my bike. And if I can wear, like a high vis vest with some type of reflective material on it, I'll do it. And I know the stuff looks geeky and nerdy and like an old man, but my objective is to be as safe as possible out here. No one wants to come home, with a wrecked bike and a hurt body. We're trying to come home safe to our families. So with that being said, I want to be seen at night. And I do like a lot of things to help myself be seen, or to help me see other vehicles or obstacles and things like that may be in the road at night. Like on all of my touring bikes, I've put LED lights on it, and those help me tremendously with my nighttime vision. Without my LED lights, man, I would really struggle seeing at night. But it gives me a better view of what's coming up. I've also put some accent lights on my bike to help other vehicles see me. So when they see, let's say my Gold Wing, and I have the blue accent lights under the bike and they're shining up, I'm hoping that can help a driver see me, so that I can get home safe to my family. There's no foolproof way. The only thing that we can do is try to be as aware as possible of the situations that we're in. The worst situation for me to be in, and I've been in this situation, is riding my motorcycle in the rain at night. Oh boy, you know, 10, 11 o'clock at night and it's pouring down raining. Yes, I felt myself in that situation, and it is no joke. I wouldn't wish that upon anyone. One time when I was touring, I had to take the tail of the dragon at night because we were riding to Asheville, and it was my first time going to Asheville, North Carolina. And you know, I had no idea that the road that I was about to get on was the tail of the dragon. So it was my first time being on the tail of the dragon. I was in a group ride, and you know, all of a sudden the road is getting twisty, and all of my buddies are slowing down. And I'm like, oh my God, what road is this? I didn't even know. And you know, we're on our comm systems, and my buddy tells me that we're, you know, riding the tail of the dragon. And I am so happy that when I did that, that I was not with any beginner riders in that situation. Because I don't know if a beginner rider could have made it through it. Because at a certain point riding that tail of the dragon at night, I was actually depending on my friends' headlights and using their headlights and my headlights to help me see through those turns and curves. At the time, I think I had been riding for about 3 years or so. So, yeah, guys. Do you guys like riding at night? I know some people do. You know, I'm subscribed to a couple of vloggers that specifically only vlog at night. What do you guys think about nighttime riding? What's some of the things that you guys do to keep yourselves aware and safe at night? Let me know, guys. Comment in the comment section. I want you guys to have a real great day. Keep riding your ride and be safe. It's your boy Al Mac. Hit that like button, and I'm out.